Hi friends, today we are going to learn about SNI mechanism. So what is SNI reaction and its mechanism is our topic of discussion in this video today. SNI means substitution nucleophilic internal. Reaction is called as a SNI because part of substrate acts as a nucleophile in such reaction. This nucleophile is generated from substrate, attack on carbon of same substrate and replace atom or group of atom. Due to this, such a reaction known as a substitution nucleophilic internal, that is SNI reaction. Reaction condition for SNI reaction. SNI reaction generally carried out in anhydrous condition, that is heat must require. Generally, thionyl chloride is a reagent which is used in SNI reaction. It carry a very important function as it generates intimate ion pair. From intimate ion pair, negative part is acts as a nucleophile and it attack from front side of the carbon or same side of the carbon. Due to this, retention of configuration occurs. General SNI reaction in which S-alpha phenyl ethanol reacted with thionyl chloride, we get S-alpha chlorobenzene. In this reaction, as we observed, S-phenyl ethanol is substrate is converted into S-alpha chloroethyl benzene. It clearly indicates there is a retention of configuration observed. This is the intimate pair of ions which is formed in SNI reaction. So, as we observed, carbon acquire positive charge and oxygen acquire negative charge. They are caged together by solvent molecule. Due to this, they are called as a intimate ion pair, and also they are not separated. They are remains close to each other. Stereochemistry involved in SNI reaction. SNI reaction proceed with retention of configuration. When substrate R proceed through SNI reaction, product R is obtained. While substrate S proceed, it end up with product S. Retention of configuration observed due to formation of intimate ion pair. SNI reaction also give inversion when reaction is carried out in presence of pyridine. Mechanism of SNI reaction. In first step, oxygen of alpha phenyl ethanol attack on thionyl chloride and there is product formed. This is the product which is eventually collapse in second step. So in second step, this product break down into intimate ion pair, but it require much time. So this step is slow step. In next step, in third step, there is intimate ion pair form. Then part of negatively charged intimate ion pair generate nucleophile which attack on carbon from same side. Due to this, retention of configuration obtained. So this is all about SNI mechanism. If you want to know more about SNI reaction and problem asked in competitive examination, subscribe channel and share this video. Thank you so much.